The Samsung Galaxy S9 launched February 2018. After more than 3 years, this phone is still worth it in 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So at first talk about the phone build quality. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back with aluminium frame, and this is also IP68 dust and water resistant. And the smartphone comes with 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus, which resolution 1440 into 2960 pixel with 570 ppi density, and this is 83.6 skin to body ratio. So overall, Samsung Galaxy S9 display is excellent. In 2021, the phone running Android 10. The phone using chipset Exynos 98104 for global market, and China and US market the phone using Snapdragon 845, and CPU using octa-core 4x2.7 GHz and GPU using Mali G72MP18. So now talk about the phone performance. After more than 3 years, the phone performance is still pretty well. All the app opening and closing speed very fast, and you also play any types of game in a very high graphics. So let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with single 12 megapixel main camera with dual aperture with LED flash, and the phone using dual selfie camera, and first one 8 megapixel and second one 2 megapixel. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 and 240fps slow-mo video, and you also record 720p super slow-mo video. So overall, S9 video quality is excellent. The smartphone comes with 3000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charger. So if you are heavy user, you need 2 times to charge a phone. So overall, S9 is still worth it in 2021 for the little price. Okay, if your budget is small and you want to buy a good smartphone for Samsung, S9 is best choice for you. And today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you on some other video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.